Good morning, people. We are driving. Today is Saturday, guys. Saturday na. So, I'm driving Daddy to the pool club. Mayroon siyang competition. Good luck, Daddy. I have to drop him. Tapos, babalik sa bahay. And it's gonna be I have to drive again kasi balay ni Mia. Ako yung magdadrive sa kanya. So, it's gonna be their fourth week. Fourth week, Daddy? Because the first one,
It's third, yeah?
I think it's fourth. The second one, she didn't attend. And then the third one, you?
Yeah, I took her twice.
Yeah, that's right. It's fourth week na, guys, nila. And ako yung maghahatid sa kanya. Ako yung sasama pala. It's been a long time. Back in the road na kita. So she's still sleeping right now. My sister is looking after them. Ala, I have to put the pram there later. So we're gonna see Ate Tin. We're gonna go see Ate Tin as well. We're gonna catch up with Ate Tin. They're gonna go play in the playground. Indoor playground in Morley. You know, like the one in the elf group?
Lollipop.
Yeah.
The other one is some dinosaur or something. Jungle.
Mighty Jungle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where, close to that shop, yeah?
Opposite.
Yeah. So I think they have work today too. I might go to the Filipino shop as well after. Kasi malapit lang yung Filipino shop there. It's gonna be a house here, Daddy, for sure, no? Residential area. Pinoy? Pinoy and Vietnamese?
No, come.
Oh, Pinoy. Oh.
It's the same cup that I won last month.
That's 2 weeks ago.
No, last month, yeah. When they win the last cup.
I thought that was
This is the
2
same
weeks
cup.
ago. Same, same people? You think you're gonna win this time? Again?
It's a game of pool. You never know.
Never know.
I've done my practice.
You've done
I'm
your
confident.
training. Oh, we'll see.
But other people are good.
At before I left the house, I have to pump. Tapos, pinadede ko na din si Kai. Kasi I don't have time when I get back. I have to get me ready for ballet. Maaga yung ballet nila ngayon pala, guys. So, yung schedule ni Mia before was 10:15, but now it's 9:45. Tapos finish siya ng 10:30. Yes, 10:30. And after that, diretso kami uwi, and then bis lang si Mia, and then baka magpapako ulit, and then we'll go to the playground with Ate Dean and the kids. We are home. Nag-ready na siya, guys.
I sleep early.
You did? Oh, go get ready.
I wake up when Tita Pitty was sleeping.
Oh, really? Did you wake up first?
You're the Lisa.
You have to put your clothes. Let's go. Ready na si Mia, guys? So, Mommy is back to normal. Because Mommy can drive. So, Mommy can take Mia to ballet, gymnastics. Daddy has been doing it now. So Daddy has been doing it for...
Mommy, take your time and be slowly so you can do your seatbelt.
Yeah, that's right. Just take your time.
I did it, Mommy.
You did it? Oh, well done, Ate. You're such a big girl. It's hot. You're right. That's okay. Mommy miss watching you doing ballet. Yeah, Daddy's been taking you, diba? Say good morning to people.
Morning, people. I had a good sleep last night.
You had a good sleep? But you slept late already. It was 11 already.
I did. I slept early.
Huh?
I slept early.
No, that was late. Early is like you slept at 8. Latest it's 8. Because you have to wake up early in the
I
morning.
slept early because I wake up first and I eat it pretty.
You wake up first.
Yeah, so I win because that's how I
Tita Pretty was still sleeping.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I wake up early.
Should have said. Did you say thank you to Tita Pretty for helping you get ready? Yeah.
No, I forgot.
You
I
forgot.
forgot.
Later. Yeah. You say thank you later. Yung gymnastics niya is every Monday na. Monday afternoon. Kasi meron siyang pasok every Friday. Tapos pagod na siya. Nilog ko lahat. Yung ballet and gymnastics. Iba na yung schedule niya. Oh, can you blow your nose, baby? Alright.
I just got a cold.
We got a cold. We're here, guys. Hey, hindi nakain. Hopya. Alright, let's go. You ready? Come, take off your seatbelt.
Go now.
Oh, bye na, bye again, bye. Hug again, Andrea.
Bye.
Sige na, bye. Wala na, let's go na daw. Tara.
You should say hi to ate.
Alright, we go home. You go change. Okay? Then we go to see Tita Tim. Right. Let's go home, baby. Did you have fun?
No. I'm trying to smile at me.
You didn't smile like you're just shy, Mia. She's shy. Na-stress siya dun, hindi nag-hi sa kanya si Andrea. Ay, hindi daw nag-smile. Oh, it's okay, baby. She's very, very shy. But she danced with you. Did she?
I really said hi to her, but she didn't. I said hi to her 2 times,
Mm-hmm.
twice.
Mm-hmm.
I said hi to her twice, and then she would say hi back to me.
Oh, she's very shy. She's very shy, Mia. Yeah, she's very, very shy.
With Belly, when I go again there, then I will need to bring me a snack.
Oh, okay. I have a snack here, but I don't think you like it. Okay, are you excited to see Ate Cheska and Sander?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going. We're gonna bring baby Kai too with us.
Yeah, because that is
Yeah.
and I really miss you.
You miss him, Daddy?
No, I miss you.
You miss me? Why you miss me? I'm here.
Because I want you, and I a little bit cry when I wake up because I really want you.
What do you mean? You really want me when you wake up?
Because you dropped Daddy at home.
This morning, I dropped Daddy, yeah. So I wasn't there when you wake up. It's okay. That's not all the time. All the time when you wake up, I'm there with you. Yeah? Only today. Only today. Ako ay nagpapump. Tapos, aalis na naman tayo. Yung sisi ko, pinapadede si Kai.
Don't you wanna sleep while you're pumping?
It's uncomfortable. Tapos minsan pag sleep ako ba, na ano siya, naula. Kasi napupuno.
Ah.
Napupuno, guys. Minsan pag kaumagahan, di ba kailangan ko mag-pump? Natutulog ako, ganun.
Ay, ito ang cellphone.
Oo, dito.
Ano yung sabi?
Napahiga ng konti lang naman, hindi yung nakahiga talaga. Tapos sabi ko, paano mabasa yung bra? Pero may tumutulo. Puno na pala, guys. Kakaloka. Anyway, we change our mind. We're going to Karanap Shopping Center.
About sa Elenbook, tayo may aral sa Elenbook.
Yeah, sabi natin magulo daw dun.
Pero it's malapit.
Yeah, matahimik sa dun sa playdate. Sabi ko, sige, dun na lang kasi hindi pa namin na-try. Di pa ako nakapunta dun. Siya, ma-aesthetic siya na playground. Playdates cafe sa Karanap. And tawag dito, malaki no? Di ba? Ano yung malaking mall? Karanap na, di ba?
Karanap shopping mall.
Yeah.
Shopping center.
Ang pinakamalaki na sa Perth. Yeah.
I don't know if it's still John Dalo.
I don't know to. Pero bago
Karanap is very big.
Yeah, it's big.
Dabi ditong mga
luxury.
luxury.
Yeah, the luxury brands andun. And yeah, bago kasi siyang renovate na mall. But yeah, I don't normally go there kasi malayo siya. So, chinek ko sa location. It's like 27 minutes away from home. Si Mia nandito lang. Ayan Si Kai, Dede, Mia, nagwa-watch ng iPad while waiting for mommy to finish. 9 minutes pa lang, guys. Si Ate Tin pupunta na ng Karanap ngayon. Sabi ko, pauwi. Pauwi pa lang ako. Kasi tapos ng ballet niya 10:30, tapos magdadrive pa ako pauwi, 15 minutes, so 10:45. Tapos ayun. Pero pagtawag niya sa akin, nasa na siya, nasa Morley na siya. Close daw yung Mighty Jungle, dapat doon kami pupunta. So ayun, sabi niya punta na lang daw kami Karanap. So punta tayo doon, guys. Mamaya after nito. Alright, let's go, people. Kids are present. Where are you, kids? Mia and Kai. Kaya pa? Ay, nako. At least nakapag-pump tayo. And then, nakadedit na si Kai, which is good. I've got all the bottles, the milk. Perfect. Hala, may nakalimutan ako. Yung aking pinamp naiwan sa room. Bakit hindi ko matawagan ang aking sisi? Hala, ang dami. Mia, we forgot the dummy. Ah. That's very important. The dummy. Bumili ako ng camera. Kasi yung camera na ginamit ko kay Mia before, yung para makita ko si Kai. Hindi ko na alam saan ko nilagay, guys. Nawala ko siya. Sa Karaniwan, parating pa lang siya. Kasi dun sa mirror. Sa mirror kasi medyo blurry. Hindi ko siya masyado nakikita. 25 minutes away, guys. Oh my gosh, Ate Tin. Ate Tin's been waiting for a long, long time. Alright, andito na tayo, guys. Ay, kaloka. Anyway, we reached our destination finally. So we're just gonna get Kai out, everything out. Ayun, and let's go inside. Tulog pa siya, guys. Tulog pa siya kanina pa. Well done, Hannah. Well done. Si Ate Mia nandito lang sa tabi ko. Hinahanap namin yung Playdates Cafe, guys. Oh, you're right. You okay? Walking na kami. Sa labas ata siya. We found it. We found it. Where's Tita Tin? They're inside, my love. Nandito pala sa labas. Yeah? Okay. Hawak niya na si Kai, guys. Nandito na kami. Pinalitan ko, nagpupo. Pupo talaga yun, te. Nandyan na siya. Tsaka si Cheska andito. Diba ang ganda ng aesthetic? Tapos meron din silang ganyan, no? First time ni Mia dito, te. Sunday! Sunday! Hi! Hi, Tatita! Hi! Wanna say hi?
Say hi, Sophia.
Yeah. It's you. Wow, ganda naman ng car mo. Anong sasakyan mo? Sander! Wow! Are you happy na? Wow! Ganda naman dito. Ang ganda dito. Mia, are you, what's that one? What's that one, Mia? Bye-bye! Ganda dito. Ha? Hindi, kakain niya lang pag alis namin, uy. Hello, that's Ate Cheska. That's Ate Cheska. Go, go! You can do it, you're a big girl. Bibili daw siya apple juice with her own money.
You want to go with me?
Yeah, go.
I'm gonna go with you.
Ate Mia, Mia will help you. Tingnan si Mia. Oo. Ang hihingi siya. Oh, where you going, Thunder? Hold tita, hold tita. Ah, hold tita. Hold tita. Hold me. Umiiyak na. Gusto na magdede. Hiniinit ko pa. Dala ko tong bottle warmer. Makain na sila. Siya daw magpapadede. Sander. Sarap, Sander. Yummy. Ayaw niya na magdede o gusto niya pa?
Sander, baby.
Mia. Ito pala in order ko, guys. Hotdog. Punta kami playground, tapos na kami dun sa Playdate Cafe. Dito na kami sa labas. Ang hindi siya natutulog, gising na gising, pero ang bait-bait, hindi umiiyak. Si Ate Mia, nandito sa tapat. Ate, ayan naman siya. Ayan yung playground. Andun si Mia, oh. Ay, ang hangin. Hello, boy! Mahangin, boy. Ah, malamig, boy. Tulog na ikaw. Ate Mia, oh. Yung mga paborito kong food, andito guys. Ayan. Meron silang yochi. Dito yung pretzel, nandito yung sanchuro. Ang hangin. Sobrang hangin dito sa labas. Umorder kami sa yochi. I've got the chocolate and vanilla. Sarap, ate.
Oh, share naman. It's Sanders' turn. Sanders' turn.
Mia.
Gawakan ko yung panin niya.
Mommy, would you like this?
Okay, share ha. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Gusto kayong dalawa. Buti nga ngayon, mayroon na mga parang nagtutulakan kami. Tugtog talaga nito. Ito. Takot to, be.
Mommy, what are these? What are these boxes?
Smile na lang, Mia. Smile. Oh, smile ka. Dali na. Hey, don't move.
Mommy, kitty, mommy, kitty, mommy, kitty.
Kinanta ko ni Sander kanina. Sabi niya,
No.
wow.
I don't eat the chocolate. That's the vanilla. I'll eat the chocolate. Milk, can I eat that?
Diba kami yung nag-aaway dito sa ice cream?
Be, dalawa na sila pala.
Pag nalaki na yan. Uy, ikaw na talagang naka-shoes.
Alam mo si Sander, hindi talaga siya nagganito. Hindi siya nagganito.
Yung socks kasi niya, mayroon akong socks na dala. Very tight. Very tight siya dito, tapos nagmamark sa skin niya. Hoy, Dudong, ikaw na talagang naka-shoes. Tingnan mo naman yan. Ay, ikaw na talagang naka-shoes. Palitan ko siguro namin. Palitan kita napi, ha? Ay, Dudong. Dito lang kami sa mga, ano ba to, candy shop. Andun si Mia. Ayun sa Cheska. May pili sila ng candy. Yan ito, antok na. Walang dami. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, shh, shh. Antok na ang baby boy. Antok na. Kanina pa walang tulog. Ngayon lang umiiyak. Oh. O, tingnan nyo siya. Binilan siya ni Tita Tin niya. Dami. Bye-bye! Sit down. Bye, te. Tulog din na siya, guys. Dito na tayo sa parking lot. Tulog na siya. Nagigwalay na kami ni Ate Tin. Si Mia nandyan. We're back in the car, guys. Mia, you're so lucky, ha? Tita give you this.
Yeah, because I was just a kid.
I can't open this. How do you open this?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
Oh no, Tita Pretty's not answering. We don't have the house key. She has the house key. Natutulog pa din si Kai, guys. Which is really good.
Mommy.
Yes?
Pretty got the house key.
Yeah, she has the house key.
Mommy, why are we not go yet?
We're going now. I'm just opening your candy. It's so hard to open.
Oh, I forgot.
Nakagala na naman tayo ulit ng successful. Pero this time, nakalimutan ko yung dami ni Kai and nung antok na siya, wala akong pang-suit sa kanya kasi wala tayong dami. So, binuhat ko siya si Ate Tin yung nag-push ng stroller, ng pram. Kaya nakatulog siya agad-agad. How do you open this one? Oh my God. How do you open this?
Try it! I
Ha?
know what you tried to gumbo. It's calming down now because it's cold.
Gusto niya mag-pancake, guys.
Mommy, I will touch this really cold. There.
Tuwan natin ng pancake. First na. Want a big one or small one?
A big one. A
That's
big
little
one and a
one.
small one.
That's a little one. Go get na.
Okay, I'm getting it. I'm just watching it. And mommy. And it's
try
good.
this?
Yeah, try it.
Hot. Rock.
Oh, ow, ow.
Nagpa-deliver tayo guys. Uber Eats. I have pad thai. And ito yung gusto ko. Mango sticky rice. Ayan. Kain na kami ni Mia. Si Kai nakatulog niya lang ulit. So, which is good. So, kain lang kami ni Mia dito. Pero, ayaw na bumaba. Tinatamad ako. But yeah. Nag-curve ako ng sticky rice na mango. So, sabi ko, order ako Uber Eats. Kasi di pa kami naka-dinner ni Mia. Nakatulog ako, guys. Very good kasi nakatulog ako. Tapos kanina pala, gamit ko din to. Kasi pinit ko si Kai dun sa playground. And then, nung umuwi kami, wala na akong time initin pa yung bottle. So, binuhos ko na lang dito. Tapos, ayun. Maganda siya, guys. Pag naghahanap kayo ng milk warmer. Yeah, I like this. Kasi pag umaalis kami, dinadala ko siya sa insulated bag, yung bottle na may milk. And sobrang lamig siya. Though, iniinom naman siya ni Kai, pero parang hindi siya comfortable. Or ako lang. Pwede mo initin dito yung water tsaka breast milk. Tsaka kahit anong milk. So, ito yung Mickey Express. Ayan. I think in-open ko siya before sa vlog ko din. But yeah, I like it. Anyway, kain tayo. Mia, do you wanna eat with me? Karen. Wow, sarap. Mia, you wanna eat, Mala? Habang tulog si Kai. Tapos maliligo kami ni Mia. Wala pa din si Daddy eh. Hindi ko alam kung nanalo yun siya sa game nila. Sarap. Yummy. Finish it together na. Coffee.
I got something for you. I got something for you. Look good. Look.
Hey, guys, being quiet.
Chicken.
Mia, close the door, please.
Get in the way. No!
Okay, come on. Daddy will release it. Daddy will release it outside, okay? This is quick, Dad. Come, no more. Cricket is gone. Poochie's outside.
Hello, people. So, mag-good night na ako, guys. Tulog na yung pamilya ko. Kanina pa. Ako na lang yung gising. So, after namin kumain, naligo na kami ni Mia. And nagising din si Kai after namin mag-shower. So, yeah, tulog na silang lahat. Sarap na magtulog na lang, guys, diba? So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you're not here, goodbye, Mia and Kai. Bye, guys.